The cylinder volume calculator tank pipe capacity helps you quickly determine the volume of cylindrical containers, pipes, or tanks in multiple units. Let's walk through the interface. First, you'll see the Unit System drop-down menu where you can select between metric millimeters, centimeters, meters, or imperial inches feet. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Below that are two input fields. The first is diameter in millimeters with a placeholder that says Enter Diameter. The second is length/height in millimeters with a placeholder that says Enter Length or Height. Once you've entered your values, click the Calculate Volume button. For this example, I'm entering 10 millimeters for the diameter and 10 millimeters for the length/height. After clicking Calculate, the results appear instantly. The volume in cubic millimeters equals 785.398. The volume in cubic centimeters equals 0.785. The volume in cubic meters equals 0.000001, and the volume in liters equals 0.001. These conversions give you the flexibility to use whichever unit suits your project requirements without manual calculations. This tool streamlines cylindrical volume calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.